Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start our this new channel, Scholarship World, and in this first video we will talk about Turkey scholarships of Koç University. These scholarships are fully funded scholarships, and there are uh, many courses which this university is dealing. So we will talk about these scholarships and deadline and application criteria and subjects in detail today. So as we can see, these are 70 brand new and exciting graduate programs which this university is offering, and the scholarships are available in MS, MA, MBA, Masters, LLB, or PhD. There is no application fee for these scholarships, and it can be applied. Students can apply for sciences, humanities, and there are a number of graduate schools here. Graduate School of Sciences and Engineering, and Health Sciences, and different other courses. So this is a famous university of Turkey. So we will talk about these scholarships in detail. So there are Graduate School of Business. In Graduate School of Business, MBA, Tech MBA, and Executive MBA, MSc Finance, and similarly the PhD. In the other courses include the PhD Business Administration as well. And the other graduate school, this is a School of Social Sciences and Humanities. In these, there are different courses which students can apply for. These are Archaeology and History of Art, MA and PhD course, MA Comparative Studies and History and Sociology and Society, MA and PhD Economics, MA, MD and PhD Design Technology and Society, MA and PhD International Relations and Political Science, LLM Private Law, LLM Public Law and PhD Law, MA and PhD Psychology, MA European Joint Master in Social and Cultural Psychology, Global Minds, and PhD Sociology, PhD History. So for different school, for separate school, and there are separate links, and you can apply by clicking different links for the different graduate schools for different courses. For example, if a student want to apply for these courses, yes, a student can click on this link. There are these courses will in through this link these courses detail will come. Graduate School of Sciences and Engineering, and in this graduate school, the sciences and engineering courses for PhD and masters are detailed here. MSc and PhD Biomedical Sciences and Engineering, MSc and PhD Chemical and Biological Engineering, MSc and PhD Computational Sciences and Engineering, MSc and PhD Computer Science and Engineering, MSc and PhD Electrical and Electronic Engineering, MSc and PhD Industrial Engineering and Operations Management, MSc and PhD Chemistry, MSc and PhD Material Science and Engineering, MSc and PhD Mathematics, MSc and PhD Mechanical Engineering, MSc and PhD Molecular Biology and Genetics, MSc Optoelectronic and Photonic Engineering, MSc and PhD Physics. And there is other courses as well for which the links can be clicked. Graduate School of Health Science. For Health Sciences, MSc Medical Sociology, MSc Medical Microbiology, MSc Reproductive Biology, PhD Reproductive Medicine, PhD Neuroscience, PhD Cellular and Molecular Medicine, MSc and PhD Nursing. These courses are in Graduate School of Health Sciences. And for the scholarship amount, if we talk about, these are 100% tuition free scholarship, and the monthly stipend will also be provided, and accommodation provided. Other benefits are also include for masters. For PhD, the scholarship is more stronger. The 100% tuition fees and their good monthly stipend. Accommodation will be provided by Cork University. Health insurance will also be provided. Office space will be given for PhD student. Laptop will also be provided, and some travel grants will be also available. Maybe these can be tickets from your country to Turkey, and when you finish, maybe this can include the ticket going back from Turkey to your home country when you finish your course. So how we can apply for this scholarship? So there are some application materials required for these scholarships. So these documents, these things you need to prepare, and so that you can apply for this nice scholarship. Statement of purpose. If you click here, the link will come, and you can make a statement of purpose of student. Your CV, transcripts which are showing your GPA, diplomas which you have obtained, and English language proficiency test. So IELTS is written here mandatory. It's better you have IELTS. Otherwise, you can try on English proficiency letter as well. You can contact your graduate school for IELTS or English proficiency thing. There is recommendations which are needed, recommendation letters. So 2 recommendations letters is good. Other documentation may include it can change on the specific programs. What are your programs and which program you are applying for, and it can change for that. As far as deadlines are concerned, so deadlines are normally these for this scholarship. This is regular call. So this if by clicking these links, deadlines can be find. The normal deadline is 30th of May 2020 this year. This is a good scholarship, and this is our first video about the scholarship in our channel Scholarship World. It will be I hope it will be very, very useful. There is no application fee for this scholarship of Cork University. So I wish all the best for you applying for this scholarship, and I wish you get this scholarship and make your future brighter through getting this scholarship. So good luck, viewers. Thank you very much.